Hello champions. If you are tired of wandering without direction, if you are hungry for a roadmap to triumph, this is your moment. Stick around, because the path to success is about to become crystal clear as we look into the world of goal-setting techniques for success. You see, setting goals isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about crafting and planning a roadmap to your destination, and also unearthing the strategies that can help turn your dreams into reality. From the precision of setting specific goals to the power of resilience in the face of adversity, each technique is a step closer to the success you envision. So, brace yourselves, champions. The playbook is open, and we're about to rewrite your success story. So, let's get to it. Here are 6 goal-setting techniques for success. Firstly, be specific. Don't just say "I want to be successful." Define what success means to you. Envision it. Feel it in your bones. Secondly, make it smart specific, that is, your goals should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down that big dream into bite-sized, actionable steps. Each step is a victory, a building block towards your ultimate success. Thirdly, let's talk about discipline. Consistency is the key that opens the door to success. Train your mind and body to perform, even when the going gets tough. Champions are made in the moments they push through discomfort. Keep on pushing to reach your desired goal a step at a time. Meanwhile, if you got to this point, please permit me to kindly ask you to like and subscribe to this channel, as there are lots of transformative and practicable contents that will make a lot of difference in your pursuit for growth and development as we journey through the year. Thank you. Next on the list is visualization. It is another powerhouse technique. Close your eyes and see yourself achieving those goals. Feel the emotions, the triumph. Visualization is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. If your desired dream is encapsulated in your heart, it will be easy to see the end result with your inner eyes. Then the secret ingredient is resilience. Life will throw curveballs. Expect them, embrace them. The journey to success isn't a straight line. It's a series of twists and turns. Stay resilient. Stay focused. To every goal that was ever achieved is a story of victory that was attained on the platform of resilience. Finally, accountability. Own your journey. Share your goals with someone you trust, someone who will hold you to your commitment. Accountability fuels progress. Your commitment to the set goal determines your success. So, be specific, make it smart, embrace discipline, visualize success, stay resilient, and be accountable. Remember, your goals are the roadmap, and you are the driver. Go out there, set those goals on fire. Go after it, and let success be the anthem of your journey. Until next time, champions. Like, share, and subscribe.